This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 40 of building Eleanor. On this we've got the main, not an axle, it's like a drive shaft I should think. We've got two different types of screws, big ones and little ones. The little ones we are using first. We'll be using 3 of those to hold the 2 halves of this plastic shaft together. It only goes one way round. You've got different shaped pieces on different ends. That's got to go at that end. Just like that. And we've got, as I say, 3 screws to hold it in place. One in the middle, one on one end, and you can guess where the other one's going to go. Let's get that one in the middle there. Go. In, I'll tighten them up in a moment. But first of all, we're going to get the other 2 in to make sure everything lines up properly. I hope you're enjoying the build. This has been quite good fun over the last 40 issues. Not quite as much to do on some than there have been on others, and this is one of the not much to do packs. This issue, say we're putting this together and then installing this into the base of the car that we've been dealing with. Next time we're doing a little bit more detail work to the base of the car, I think, and then we're going to be adding the front part to the main chassis. So always stuff going on, but not as much as there have been on other builds. It's not very convoluted, the build on this. So there we have that, all up and secure. Now we've got one long plastic tube, and that is being fitted to that we've been doing for so long. The short spiky end is going at this end, the other end is going into that section up there, and obviously we've got 2 connection points for this to line up to. So let's get that in the right place. That should go into there, that one will go into there, and we'll use 2 of these slightly bigger screws to hold that in place. Those 2 out of there. There we go. Turn that over. There we've got one up that end and one down the other end. Can't go too far wrong with that. Except I can. I've not got it lined up properly on the other side, I don't think. Sure, it's got to be there, because that's located in up the top there, okay. It's definitely there that it's got to go. But you have got to get it from the other side as well to push it into place. While tightening it up. There we go, that's better. So I'll get those both tightened up, and then another issue is completed. We've still got a few screw holes to fill on this plate, but that's what it's all about. So there we go, another part done little bit more detail added to the underneath that you're probably never going to see because I'm never going to be picking it up and waving it around. So there we have it, a little bit more of Eleanor complete. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying it. Do leave a comment and let me know, and I shall see you soon for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.